Hello traders, today is the 19th of July 2010. This is the third part of the video that we titled The Trader's Secret. Okay, this is the Trader's Secret part 3. Okay, we have part 1 that I was telling you that we want to sell the FTSE index. The FTSE index is the index of the 100 blue chip stocks in London Stock Exchange. Okay, and we sold it right here at 5191. Okay, now we are now at 5195. I repeat again. Okay, my apologies for that. And we sold it at 5191. Okay, we are now at 5166. Okay, that's not too bad. Excellent movement to the downside. We expect the FTSE index to continue the movement to the downside. Okay, we know that there is a support level at 5162. We are expecting the FTSE index to break that support level without any problem and to continue the movement up to 5141. That will be the best place for us. Okay, and the ultimate price that will be the best of the best will be the 5116 for today. Okay, but at least we are expecting the FTSE to be nice and to come all the way to 5141 at least. Okay, that will be an excellent position, okay, for us. And if that one also couldn't hold, we will expect it to continue the movement to 5116. Okay, so right now, as you can see, and in this zone here, we have this bullish candle in a downtrend. That's the way we like it. When we see the rally in a downtrend, you see this rally here. Yes, the price was going down. You see this bullish candle here. You have to make the decision not on the lower time frame but on the higher time frame to measure the intensity or the force of the downtrend. Okay, if you know that the tide is quite strong to the downside, all the waves, okay, to the upside will definitely follow the tide at one point. That's what we are doing. We know that the tide is quite strong to the downside. We see those little ripple or waves coming here showing opposite direction to the major direction of the market. We will sell them. Exactly what's happened here again. Another green candle. Usually if you receive one or two will be the best option. One or two will be the best, but in this case, as you can see, it's giving only one. If it's giving only one, it's confirming that the bearish person is quite strong, because if it's not quite strong, you give at least two or three. Okay, then we will sell it. But now it's giving only one green candle, which means the bear are very in charge of this movement to the downside. But we are working only with probability situation. Okay, so this was a support level now being broken. There's a nearer support level below that. Okay, we will pay attention to what's going on, just observing the price and using a simple definition of the downtrend to control and manage our trade. Okay, this is how you will trade like professional traders, and they will be doing exactly the same thing like you, and you know that you are not trying to step on their feet. Okay, because this is their profession, and we are just what we call the scroungers. Okay, the smart scroungers trying to take our portion, okay, like foxes, and run away, okay, so to speak. Okay, so if this where my horizontal red line is, if that one is broken, that will be perfect for us. That will give us a nice reward up to 5141, which is our excellent point to take some nice profit. Okay, so like I said to you before the New York was open, we see this up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, we know our market pattern, we know exactly the meaning of that, and we sold it right here at 5191, and we make our decision on the higher time frame, switching back to the lower time frame. So as you can see, this trade is nicely in profit without any problem since we sold it at 9151 and 5191. I repeat, 5191. The FTSE index was just so nice for us, and it's just going down nicely. Okay, lovely index. You must pay attention carefully to this index, because this index can be a very leading indicator for the market. Okay, so keep watching this video. Okay, for those who are not part of the TSTW24 trading system, if you want to join us, okay, if you want to be part of the TSTW24, you need to go to the www.stochastic-macd.com. Okay, lovely, powerful but simple tool. Okay, I repeat that the TSCW24 is not a software, it's not a robot, it's a trading system, a trading method. Okay, for any more information about this tool, you need to go to our website. Okay, right here. The full C has been very nice. We are now 519. My concentration is not very good today. My apology for that. That's 5157. Okay, I think probably I'm getting hungry now. 5157. Okay, so this is it. Time to drink something. Okay, my apologies for that. Okay, 5157. That's where we are now. We are our best points for profit is 5141. Okay, so keep watching this video, please. Okay, we still have time for you too. Okay, so this is how you do it every day. You wait for the market, you respect the market bell carefully. Okay, you do not just do your own thing, because you are not alone in the market. There are a lot of traders in this market. Okay, some of the excellent traders. You are competing with the best traders. Okay, so the best thing to do is to try to go into the mind of those smart traders. Okay, in order to check exactly, or to analyze the psychology or the mind of these people, in order to follow them. Okay, that's what we want to do. Okay, because when you are losing consistently, is because you are doing completely the opposite of the thing that those who are making money are doing. Okay, so when those who are making money are buying, you are selling. Okay, when those who are making money are selling, you are buying. Yeah, and you're doing completely opposite all the time. But it's just because your mind is making the wrong decision consistently. Okay, so what you need to work on, it's just simple. You may just work on your ability to make the right decision. It's simple. If you can make the right decision in this life, consistent right decision, each point making the right decision, that's a successful life. Okay, but the reason why we fail in most of the things that we do, I lost so much money when I started trading first. That's how I know all these things, because I was making the wrong decision. Okay, wrong decision, wrong timing, wrong entry, wrong signal, all sort of wrong things. Okay, but then I locate that, okay, because what I was doing is that when I see a signal, okay, suppose MACD cross below a signal line. Okay, that's a signal to sell, isn't it? But then I jump into it and sell straight away, only to be taken out of my trade before the price turn around and does exactly what I'm expecting. This was happening for more than a year. So the cross below is signal line, it's a sell signal, then I jump and sell again, and then I will lose money. And then later on, then I'll see that the price finally continue the movement to the downside. Then I get really, really upset. And then I blame God, and then I blame my wife, then I blame everybody, then I blame all the systems that I have. Then one day it just clicked like this. Then I say, well, so the signal is one thing, and the entry point is another thing. So when I see now the market crossing below its signal line, I say to myself, that's the signal. I can go and have a quick drink, or put some crisps, start enjoying some crisps, waiting for my entry point, okay, or play my brick breaker on my BlackBerry, waiting for my entry point, because now I have a signal. Okay, now I'm waiting for my entry point. So I stopped making that mistake. So since I stopped making that mistake, I noticed that, okay, there is a time to enter the market. Then I recognize now that the entry point is the most powerful decision you can ever make. Because once you enter that the trade, you are already in loss, because you are paying straight away your broker. And another mistake that I noticed also, that I do not pay attention to the spread that the broker is offering me. Like some of the currency we trade, the euro Canadian. Some of the spread are almost 16 pips, 1/6. And you enter the trade, you are already in minus big time. So the old stack against you as soon as you enter the trade. Then I say, okay, then I need to pay attention to the currency that are cheaper. Or if I'm trading stocks, to pay attention when they offer the better spread. It's simple. But then I notice also that I'm giving so much money away. Then I ask myself, am I in to be very generous person in this game, or is it a business? Okay, then you learn to protect your capital. As you can see here, we are approaching our levels now, our best exit point, the 5141. We are now 5145. This is excellent point to exit the trend. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it, how it's done. Okay, till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy.